Hey everyone, we are going to do a foam roller series to help open up our chest, our posture, and just keep our shoulders nice and open. So this is a really great kind of 5-minute series to help just open up your posture and get you feeling a little bit less hunched over. So you're going to need a long foam roller. The OPT brand is one of my favorite brands of foam rollers because they have extra soft foam rollers, and these are really nice and comfortable. So if you are having a lot of discomfort or just feeling like the black ones or the white typical Amazon foam rollers are a little bit too stiff for you, try the OPTP extra soft foam rollers, and it really makes a huge difference. So we're going to have you lay on your back, and you are going to have this along your length of your spine. So we're just going to have it so our butt is sitting at the edge of the foam roller, and then my head's going to be sitting at the other end of the foam roller. Now we're just going to start with some just shoulder circles. So we're going to do some backward shoulder circles, allowing our shoulders to drop back and then come all the way forward. We're going to do that about 10 to 15 times. This is just a nice warm up, and try to remember to keep your back nice and flat against the ground. You don't want to be arching your back, so keep your ribs down, thinking about lengthening your back, creating more space in those back muscles. All right, now we're going to have our arms up, and we're just going to do some arm kind of like T motion. So we're gonna have your arms up and then drop to the side, open up, and there you go. So we're gonna do that a few times. Again, you'll probably feel a nice stretch in your pec muscles. That's totally fine. And now we're gonna do some snow angels. So we're gonna come all the way up and down. Again, you might hear a crack like I just did. And remember, as you reach up, try to make this motion only coming from your shoulders. You shouldn't be having this flaring of your ribs or arching of your back as you raise your arms up. If you are doing this on a yoga mat, you can really allow your hands to drag along the ground, or if you're too tight, you can just have your hands elevated above the ground. All right, now we're going to go into swimmers. You're going to reach one arm over your head, really reach, and then you're going to switch. So raise the arm up and then reach, really lengthening your shoulder away from the trunk. Good. So these are swimmers. You're going to do this about 5 to 10 times per side. Again, you might feel a stretch kind of like in your armpit area, your pecs, your lats. Feels really, really good. Remember to raise and then reach, and raise and then reach your arm. Good. So you're adding like that lengthening, tractioning feeling. Great. Now we're going to have you bend your arms, and you're going to do some W's. You're going to open up into a W, and then you're going to come back straight. We're going to do that a few times. Again, you're probably going to feel a nice stretch in your pec muscle or the front of your chest. Good. And now we're just going to raise both of your arms, and you're just going to reach as far as you can up, feeling a nice stretch. Again, keeping your ribs nice and down, back nice and lengthened. And then you're going to come back down. Great. So that is the foam roller series. Again, that wasn't even like 5 minutes, but it probably took around maybe 2-3 minutes. But something really easy you can do, especially if you tend to sit at your computer for a long period of time, or if you struggle with kind of a rounded posture, kind of gripping your abs, and you want to kind of lengthen the front of your chest, create your shoulders a little bit more open. A very easy 2 to 3 minute routine you can add to your day just to help open up your whole posture and your alignment.